Hello everyone. In this video, we'll be solving the sums from exercise 3.4. The topic is time and work. Very easy topic. Let's see. Say suppose we have to construct a particular building or a particular apartment. Okay. Suppose the total number of days taken to construct the building is 30. Number of days to construct the building, or we can say complete the work. Say it is 30 days. Okay, it will take 30 days to complete the work. Okay, now if I ask you that in one day how much work will be completed, so you will say, sir, in one day work done will be is equal to 1 by 30. Very simple. You can also think like this, that suppose in 30 days we construct a building of 30 floors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 like this. Totally 30 floors are there. Okay. So if we are taking 30 days to construct a building of 30 floors, so in one day how many floors will be constructed? One floor. Simple. How will you calculate? 1 by 30. If suppose the number of days taken were 20, then in one day it will be 1 by 20. Understood? This is very small topic. It is very easy. We can just do this. This was the main thing what we had to know, that whenever number of days is given, you can find out the work done in one particular day. How will you find? 1 by 30 or 1 by 20. Simple enough. Now we will solve few questions from 3.4. Let's see. Question number 1 says, Ramadeen can reap a field in 30 days. What part of the field would he have reaped in 25 days? They are saying that suppose this is a particular field, land, whatever you can say. They are saying to reap the entire field, it will take 30 days. Okay. Okay, sir. If it is taking 30 days to do this work, they are asking in 25 days how much land or how much part of the job is done. We know definitely that in 25 days obviously less part of the land will be reaped. You cannot reap the entire field, because entire field Ramadeen can reap in 30 days. So I will write here, see, number of days taken is 30. So part of work done by Ramadeen in one day, this you have to write in almost every question. One day is how much? 1 by 30. So now part of work done by Ramadeen in 25 days is how much? 1 by 30 into 25. So it will be 25 by 30, that is 5 by 6th of work. 5 by 6th of work can be completed in the period of 25 days. Simple enough. Now moving to the next question. See, question number 2 says, a farmer can reap a field in 10 days, okay, while his wife can do it in 8 days. She does not waste time in smoking, okay. If they are working together, in how much time can they reap a field? It means, see, first we will write here part of the job or part of the work done by farmer in one day is how much? 1 by 10. Okay, done by wife in one day is equal to 1 by 8. So I can say this, that in one day farmer completes 1 by 10th of the job, wife completes 1 by 8th of the job. If I want to find out that together how much work they can complete. Together farmer and wife can complete in one day how much work? 1 by 10 plus 1 by 8. So we can write here 80, 8 plus 10, 18 by 80. 18 by 80, that is nothing but 9 by 40. It means what? See, understand what does this mean? It means that in the time of one day, farmer and his wife can complete 9 by 40th part of the work. Or to understand, you can say, suppose there are totally 40 things they had to do, okay? In one day, they can complete 9 things. Understand this. How many things they had to complete? 40. They can complete 9 things in one day. This is what this fraction means, okay? What is our question asking? Our question is asking, if they work together, in how much time can they reap the field? See, to complete any particular work, what does it mean here? That out of 40 things, all 40 they can do. In how much time they can do? It means I can say it should be 1. To complete a work, or a work, is always 1. So if I can write here that number of days work done, if one day we are taking, and farmer with his wife can complete how much work? 9 by 40. So if I am saying that I have to complete the work means 40 by 40. All the 40 things they have to do. 40 by 40 is nothing but 1 only. So you can directly write here 1. And how many days will they take? You can write here x. Simple enough. If they are taking x days, work done is 9 by 40 in one day. You can do cross multiplication. So it will be x 9 by 40x is equal to 1, or you can say x is equal to 40 by 9. 40 by 9 days will be taken to complete the work. 40 by 9 days. 40 by 9 days, or you can also say 40 by 9 can be written as 9 4s are 36, 4 by 4, 9 days. So you can say these many days will be taken by the farmer and wife if they are working together to reap the entire field. Simple enough. You just have to do the reciprocal of this one day work, then nothing else. Simple enough. Now moving further to the next question. I just told you the explanation of how this 9 by 40 becomes 40 by 9 here. Okay. In further questions we can directly say that in one day they are taking 9 by 40 of the work. So to complete that work, how much time will they take? They will take 40 by 9. Just do the reciprocal of that. Simple. Now, question number 3. A can do a job in 10 days while B can do it in 15 days. Okay. If they are working together and earn rupees 3,500, how should they share the money? See, it means if I have to write here, part of the work by A in one day is 1 by 10 and by B in one day is 1 by 15. Simple. What will we do? We will find a ratio between A and B and their efficiency 1 by 10 and 1 by 15. How? See, A by B, work done is 1 by 10 and 1 by 15. This I will write as 15 by 10. That is nothing but 3 by 2. Remember, this is nothing but ratio 3:2. Okay. It shows that A is more efficient and B is less efficient. See, when you see the question only, you can understand who is more efficient. Think like this. A particular job has to be done. A is completing that job in 10 days while B is taking for that particular job 15 days. Understood? So A is more efficient. So A will get more money. Understood? Now, if it is 3 is to 2, how much money they have earned? They have earned 3,500 rupees. So A will get 3 by 5 because it is 3 is to 2, and B will get 2 by 5. 3,500, 3,500, 5 sevens are 35, 3 sevens are 21, 2,100, 5 sevens are 35, 7 twos are 1400. This is the amount they will be earning from this job. Understood? Now, see, this is A will earn 2100 and B will earn 1400. Now, we'll do the question number 4. See, A and B together can paint a room in 2 days. Okay. A alone can do it in 3 days. Okay. It is not A alone. It is A alone. A alone can do it in 3 days. How many days would B require working along to paint the room? Okay. See. Working alone to paint the room. Now, I will write together A and B can paint one room in how many days? You will say, sir, in 2 days. If I ask you that part of the work by together A and B in 1 day is equal to how much? You will say, sir, 1 by 2. This we have already learned. Understood? See, very simple. I am telling you that they are painting one room in 2 days. So in 1 day, how much will they paint? They can paint only half room, right? You cannot paint the entire room. Entire room will take 2 days. So in first day, you have to complete the half painting. Now in 1 day, they can paint the half room. I will write here 1 by 2 or half of the work, 1 by 2th of work. Now, why we have written this? See, together A and B in 1 day can do 1 by 2 of the work. Alone A, if I say part of work by only A is how much? 3 days. You can write here 1 by 3 of work. Understand this very carefully. Part of work by A and B is 1 by 2 of the work. Only A is taking 1 by 3 of the work. So if I have to find part of work, if only B is doing, only B in 1 day will be is equal to 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3. It will become 6. 3 minus 2, that is nothing but 1 by 6. Understood? 1 by 6. If it is saying that B in 1 day can complete 1 by 6th of the work, B in 1 day can complete 1 by 6th of work. But remember, our question was not asking this. Our question is asking how many days would B require if working alone to paint the room. So you know you have to just do the reciprocal. So you will write here B will take 6 days to paint the room if he is working alone. Very simple. Now, moving further to the next question. See, A can do 1/5 of a certain work in 2 days. So you can directly write here for A that A takes 2 days to complete 1 by 5th of the work. But what we have to find always, we have to find in 1 day how much work he can complete. In 1 day, it will become 1 by 5 multiply 1 by 2. That is nothing but 1 by 10. Simple enough. What we have done, we have just divided. Here it was 2 days. We have to find for 1. It means 1 by 5 multiply 1 by 2. It is 1 by 10th of the work. Or you can learn as cross multiplication also, 2 1 by 5 1x, and then if you will solve here, 2x is equal to 1 by 5 and x will be 1 by 5 into 2. You can use this method also, whichever way you are comfortable with. Okay, now so in one day 1 by 10th of the work will be completed, 1 by 10th of the work is done. Okay, what about B? B takes 8 days. B can do 2/3 of it in 8 days. It means B takes 8 days to complete 2 by 3 of work. So in one day 2 by 3 multiply 8, that is nothing but 1 by 12. 2 4s are, so 1 by 12th of the work is done. Now this we have found out that how much work they are able to complete in one day. Okay, now what question is asking, in how much time can they together complete the work? Okay, if they are talking about together, we have to add it. Now I will write here, together A and B in one day is how much? In one day is 1 by 10 of A and 1 by 12 of B. So I will write a 1 by 10 plus 1 by 12, 66 plus 12 5s are, it is nothing but 11 by 60th of work. Remember this, A and B together in one day can complete 11 by 60th of the work. But they are asking us what? They are asking in how much time can they together complete the work. I have already told you, whenever they are asking to complete the work, you just have to do the reciprocal. A and B together can complete the work in 60 by 11 days. Understood? Just the reciprocal of 11 by 60, 60 by 11 days, that can be written as 5 by 11 days. Simple enough. Now this is how you have to progress with each and every question. You just have to remember that it is not some rocket science. Remember this, in one day how much work they can do? 11 by 60. So to complete the work, how much days they will take? Just reciprocal of that, 60 by 11 days. Simple enough. Now moving further to the next question, question number 6. See, let's see. One tap fills a tank in 20 minutes, okay, and another tap fills it in 12 minutes. The tank being empty, and if both the taps are open together, in how many minutes the tank will be full? Understand first this. Here we have one tap. Now this tap is filling the tank. They are saying it will take 20 minutes for this tank, okay, to fill the entire tank. But there is one more tap. Here it is one more tap, and that will fill the tank. How much time it will take? It will take 12 minutes. See, this is given alone capacity, that alone this tap and that tap can fill the tank in 20 minutes and 12 minutes. But what we have to find? If both taps are open together, it is nothing but what we have done till now. What if A and B are working together? The same thing. Now see, I will say this is the first tap and this is the second tap. Let's see. For first tap, in 1 minute, how much tank can they fill? They can fill 1 by 20th of the tank. 1 by 20th of tank will be filled. Or you can say it can be filled. Second tap in 1 minute can fill 1 by 12th of the tank. 1 by 12th of the tank can be filled. Simple enough. Now if they both are working together, if they both are open together, then together both the taps In 1 minute first we will find. In 1 minute how much tank they can fill? 1 by 20 plus 1 by 12, that is 60. 3 plus 5, that is 8 by 60. So it is 2 by 15th. It means in 1 minute 2 by 15th of tank can be filled easily. Okay, but what was our question? Our question is, if both are open together, how many minutes the tank will be full? So you can write very easy, the tank will be full in just reciprocal of that, 15 by 2 minutes. That is nothing but 7 1 by 2 minutes. Understood? Very, very easy. Now, moving to further. Question number 7. See, A can do a work in 6 days and B can do it in 8 days. They worked together for 2 days and then B left the work. Wow. How many days will A require to finish the work? Understand this. We'll go step by step. Nothing is new here. See, A can do a work in 6 days. So we will write first part of work by A in 1 day is how much? 1 by 6. By B in 1 day is how much? 1 by 8. Okay. So together A and B in 1 day is how much? 1 by 6 plus 1 by 8. It will be around 24. 4 plus 3. So it is 7 by 24. Okay. This is together A and B working for 1 day. What is our question saying? They worked together for 2 days. Okay. If they have worked together for 2 days, what will we write? Together A and B in 2 days. What will they write? 7 by 24 multiply 2. So it will become 7 by 12. Okay. 7 by 24th of work. And this is also 7 by 24th of work. Seven by 24th of work, and here 7 by 12th of the work in 2 days. They are saying they worked together for 2 days. Okay. After that B left the work. If B has left the work, now see. Understand this. Suppose this is a number line. Okay. These are the number of days. This is the entire work they have to do. So entire work means one work they have to complete. They are saying 7 by 12th of the work. 7 by 12th of the work is, you can understand, a part of the work. If I say that 7 by 12th means this much, 7 by 12th of the work is already done by A and B in 2 days. A and B in 2 days. Now B left and now A has to complete the job. Now A is there. A has to complete how much job and how many days will A take to do that particular job or do that particular work, that we have to find. Now understand this. Total work is 1. 7 by 12th of the work is already completed. So work left is how much? 1 minus 7 by 12, because 7 by 12 is done. How much work is left? 5 by 12th of work. Who will do? Only A will do, because B have already left. Now if B has already left, A has to do this job. Now we already know that A in 1 day does how much work? 1 by 6. Now he has to complete 5 by 12. We can use the cross multiplication for A. Work done and number of days taken. See, work is 1 by 6 it completes 1 by 6 of work in one day, it has to now complete 5 by 12 of work. Which 5 by 12? This 5 by 12 he has to complete. We have to find out the number of days. So I can write, let number of days be x. You can find it out directly. Use the cross multiplication. 1 by 6x is equal to 5 by 12 into 1. You can write x is equal to 6 and this will be cancelled. 5 by 2. That is 2 2s are 4. 2 1 by 2 days will be taken to complete the work. Understood? You can leave at 5 by 2 also. You can write 2 1 by 2 days taken by A to complete the work which was left by B. Understand? You can also understand by this method. See, 7 by 12th of the work is done. You can understand. See, suppose this was the entire work, one work, okay. They are saying out of 12 things to do, 7 things are done. If I break the work in 12 parts, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, then 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. They are saying the first 7 parts, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. This work has been already done. That is what they are explaining with the question. Understood? Very easy. From question number 8, we will be solving that in the next video. Thank you so much.